In this video, I'm going to show you how to build apps with Emergent SH. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, you want to go to their official website, you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. Now, whenever you do this, you will get this interface here where you can basically build your app. Now, it's actually very easy to do that. You could just click here and you could just type in whatever idea you have for a specific app you want to build, or you could click down here on this start a voice recording button with the microphone, and then you can click on that and just talk whatever you want created, and it's going to basically start typing it in there as a text to speech basically, or a speech to text, and then it's going to basically create an app you actually requested while just basically describing it yourself with words. Now, you could do this, or down here at the bottom, you'll also always have a few different things. You could click on the surprise me, and it's going to basically surprise you with a app over here of choice, or you could keep on clicking this, so it's going to keep switching. You could also choose any of these suggestions down here, or you could just refresh this, which is going to give you a few more suggestions as well. And then whenever you're happy with that, of course, with whatever idea you put in here to actually build, click on this button if you have any files to attach. You could also connect GitHub or choose whichever model you want to use, either if you want to use the Claude Sonnet or the GPT. As you can see, there's a few different versions. Here you can then select if you want it to be public or private, and then you have some advanced settings, and whenever you are ready, just click on this button over here and your app is going to start getting created. Now, for the first time you do this over here, it's going to start basically giving you an outline, and it's going to ask you if you agree with everything. So here, you'll be able to see when we process into the next step, it's going to basically ask me to provide feedback again. So whenever that happens, you could either type the feedback in there, or you could just use the automatic AI response for that. There we go, as you can see. So it's basically asking a question, and here, if you agree with everything, have any complaints, stuff like that, you could just type them in here or just do the auto answer, and it's going to basically let AI auto answer this, and it's going to start building your app. Now, of course, whenever you do this, you basically just have to wait for this to finish. Whenever this finishes, you will then have your app. So here, as you can see, I have a few apps, so I actually built 2 apps already. I have this calculator app over here, which it built, as you can see, and I can go to preview or deploy it, and this is basically the app I built. I can use it. As you can see, it's fully functional, and you could of course do whatever you wanted with it. Now, you could also get the code for it, for which if you want to know how to do, I have separate tutorials, and that's how you essentially build apps with Emergent .sh. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.